Good morning, dear student. Today we're going to start with the exercise 10.1, page number 152. Question number 1, it is your convert these measurements. The first it is 39 centimeter into meter. So you are moving from the smaller unit to the bigger unit. So you will going to do the division. Okay. Yeah, backward you are moving. So you will going to do division. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Therefore, converting 39 centimeter into meter, we will divide, okay, by 100. So, 39 by 100, check the 0 in 100, how many 0 are there? 2 0 are there. So, you have to count the first two numbers from the right hand side and put the decimal. 9 and 3 and put the decimal. So you will get the answer 0.39 meter. Come to the B sums. B it is your 25 gram into kg. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Again you are moving from smaller unit to the bigger unit. So you will going to do the division. If you are moving bigger unit to the smaller unit, then you will going to do the multiplication. Okay. Then convert into kg. Okay. Then place this we will divide by 1000. Okay, 25 by 1000. How many 0 are there in 1000? 3 0 are there. So count from the right hand side. 1 2, only two numbers, so place 1 0 and put the decimal and 0. Okay, you will get the answer 0.025 kg. With the C sums also same, 1493 milliliter into liter. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Converting milliliter into liter, okay, you are moving from smaller unit to the bigger unit. So you will going to do the division by 1000. 1493 by 1000, you will going to check the 0 in 1000. 1 2 3 and count from the right hand side. 1 2 3 and put the decimal before before 4 and 1 decimal 493 liter is your answer. D sums also in the same way. Okay, you are moving from smaller unit to the bigger unit, so you will going to divide. E sums with the same way. F also. Then come to the G. G it is little bit different. 437 gram 37 milligram into kg. Okay, first converting into 1 unit means gram to milligram. Gram is your bigger unit and milligram is your smaller unit. So you are moving from bigger unit to the smaller unit. So you will going to do the multiplication. Okay, first you will going to change into milligram. Gram you will going to change into milligram. Okay, then multiply 437 into 1000. You will get the answer for 43 lakhs 70,000 milligram plus 37. 37 you will go into plus milligram. Milligram cannot change into milligram. Okay, so you will get the final answer 43 lakhs 70,000 37 milligram. Now converting into kg. Now you will going to convert into kg. So you are milligram to the kg you are reaching. So from the smaller unit to the bigger unit, you will going to do the division. So 1 kg is equal to how many gram? It will become your 10 lakhs milligrams. Okay. So you will going to divide 43 lakhs 70,037 by 10 lakhs. You will get the answer. How many 0 are there in your 10 lakhs? It is your 6 0. So count from the right hand side and put the decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and put the decimal. Okay, and your answer will be 0.437037 kg. Come to the H, same with the H also. 2.5 millimeter, 125 centimeter into kilometer. Meter is your bigger unit. Moving to the smaller unit, first check the first unit, okay? Convert the first unit into centimeter. So you will going to multiply 2.5 into 100. 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 100 centimeter. So multiply by 100 and plus 125 and you will get the answer 375 centimeter. 1 unit is over. Now you have to convert centimeter into kilometer. Okay. Now you will going to divide because you are moving from the smaller unit to the bigger unit. So you will going to do the division. Okay. So 1 kilometer is equal to how many centimeter? 1 lakh centimeter. Okay. Therefore 375 centimeter into kilometer, then 375 by 1 lakh. Count the zero. Count the zero. How many zero are there in your lakh? 5 zero. So 1, 2, 3. Count from the right hand side. 1, 2, 3 and place the zero. How many zero are left? 3 and 2 zero is left. Okay. No number it is there. So place the zero and put the decimal. Okay. So 0.00375 kilometer. Okay.